Morning, guys. Today is Friday, March 15th. So 3 months into the year. Headed to the shop right now. It's a Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Man, yesterday was super busy. Super busy. I think we had a record Thursday. Everybody was working and everybody was busy. So it was a very, very good day. So today, hopefully we have a good day like yesterday. And but I expect to maybe be a little bit slower considering it was so busy yesterday. It was out of the ordinary busy yesterday. So sometimes when we have days like that, it takes away from the next day. So today might not be as busy as it was yesterday, but you know, if God's willing, it will be. See how it goes. And today we got one more barber. There'll be 5 of us today, 6 of us today. So we have a full crew. Headed to the shop. I got an early appointment. See what we get into down there. All right, guys, stay with me. What up, guys? It's 1 o'clock right now, 1 p.m. I'm on my way to my daily bank run. Super busy day today. Down one barber. One of them called in. So we're working with 5 today for a Friday. You know, I didn't expect it to be this busy today because we were so busy yesterday that it was felt like a Saturday, you know, on a Thursday. So, but today feels like a Friday, so it's all good. Business is good, and we're ready. We're tackling it together. Everybody's working hard today, and the 5 guys that are here, we're all just hitting it hard. And so far I done some haircuts, so I'm gonna post them up for you guys later. I did a real cool flat top, high top fade. I'm gonna post that up on there. Maybe I'm probably gonna do a tutorial off of that one because I managed to do the whole haircut. So I'll stay in contact with you guys, and we'll see what we can also get in.